Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 9 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one first of all. And as you can see right here, we've got the option which is connected with the resolution, so let's tap on it. So the second position from the right, and as you can see here, we've got 4 different resolutions from which we can choose with a specific frames per second options also. So 720p, 1080p which is currently applied, 4K and 8K. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 8K, and as you can see, it is immediately notified on this icon, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.